Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find a value. Solution: 4 power a equal to 400. Now take a log on both sides. So log 4 power a equal to log 400. Now we are going to implement this log power formula here, that is log m power n equal to n log m. This formula we are going to implement here. So we'll get a log 4 equal to log 400. Now divide by log 4 on both sides. So log 4 here log 4. Now this log 4 cancels this log 4. Now we have a equal to log 400 by log 4. Now this 400 can be written as 4 times of 100. So we are going to apply this here. So a equal to log 4 times 100 by log 4. Now a equal to log 4 times 100 by log 4. Now we are going to implement this log product formula, that is log ab equal to log a plus log b. This formula we are going to implement here. So a equal to log 4 plus log 100 by log 4. Now this can be written as a equal to log 4 by log 4 plus log 100 by log 4. Now this log 4 cancels this log 4. Here 1. So a equal to 1 plus log 100 by log 4. A equal to 1 plus log 10 square by log 2 square. So a equal to 1 plus 2 log 10 by 2 log 2. Here we have implemented log power formula. So this power comes here. Same way here. So this 2 cancels this. So we have a equal to 1 plus log 10 by log 2. Now this 10 can be written as a equal to 1 plus log 2 times 5 by log 2. Now we are going to implement log product formula here, that we already know that log ab equal to log a plus log b. A equal to 1 plus log 2 plus log 5 by log 2. Now this can be written as a equal to 1 plus log 2 by log 2 plus log 5 by log 2. Now this log 2 cancels this, so here 1. Now a equal to 1 plus here 1 plus log 5 by log 2. We are going to apply here log formula, that log a by log b equal to log a base b. This formula we are going to implement here. So a equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 5 base 2. This is the a value. Now verify 4 power a equal to 400. Now a equal to 2 plus log 5 base 2. This we are going to verify now. So 4 power 2 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 400. Now this can be written as 2 power 2 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 400. Now we are going to multiply this 2 here. 2 power 4 plus 2 log 5 base 2 equal to 400. Now here we are going to apply log power formula. So this 2 comes here. So 2 power 4 plus log 5 power 2 base 2 equal to 400. Now 2 power 4 plus log 25, 5 square is 25 base 2 equal to 400. Now we are going to apply this formula here, that is a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This we are going to implement here. So we'll get 2 power 4 times 2 power log 25 base 2 equal to 400. Now we know that a power log b base a equal to b. So this we are going to implement here. So 2 power 4 is 16 times, here as per this formula 25 equal to 400. So 16 times of 25 is 400 equal to 400. So LHS equal to RHS. Here it is verified. Thanks for watching this video.